Welcome to the app Multiplying on the Axis. This app can help the students deepen their understanding of multiplication, as well as their acquaintance with the number axis. We drag out a new multiplication from this button. And we change the multiplier with these arrows. And we change the number multiplied by adjusting its visual representation on the axis. So now we have 4 times 5. When we click play, we'll see the answer as 4 jumps of 5. Let's click play so we have 1 jump, 2, 3, and 4. And we see the answer, and we also see it on the axis. Let's click reset. Now, let's make room for a new multiplication and bring it in. Here, we'll choose the multiplication 2 times 10. So we have a multiplied number that is twice as large. 10 is doubled in 5, but the multiplying number is half of what we had. Now, we could activate each animation separately, but we can also click Simultaneous Animation Control. And now they are both controlled from this button. Let's click play. And let's click pause. This helps illustrate why we get the same result. 2 jumps of 5 are equal to 1 jump of 10. So when we multiply a 10, we need to half the number of jumps. Let's continue. And we got the results. Once the students understand this idea, it can be useful in solving questions such as 14 times 5. We multiply the 5 by 2 to get 10, and divide the 14 by 2 to get 7. So we have 7 times 10, 70. So this both accelerates computations and develops a deeper understanding of multiplication. Let's open a new page. Here, we see the default axis. It goes all the way up to 6, and each unit is divided into 2. Now, if we don't want any division, we just click here. Let's go ahead and divide each unit into 3, and let's bring in a new multiplication. Let's make it 3 times 1 1/3. Let's click play. And we can always pause and ask the students what they think. So here, we already see 2 jumps, and we only need 1 more, so we'll end up at 4. Let's finish. And we have the answer. The idea we saw in the previous page can be especially useful when dealing with fractions. Let's throw out this multiplication, and we'll change the unit divisions to half. Now, we can click here to change the total length of the axis. Now, let's create the multiplication 8 times 1 1/2. Now, we can ask the class if multiplying one factor by 2 while dividing the other factor by 2 can turn this into a much simpler question. So if we double the multiplied number by 2, we'll get a 3, a whole number. Since the multiplying number is even, dividing it by 2 will also give us a whole number. So we can create a new multiplication, 4 times 3. Now let's run the animation. And we get 12. So this is the tool, and you can use it to instantaneously create a variety of multiplication questions that can be visualized in a way that emphasizes the meaning of multiplication. We hope you enjoyed in class. Thanks so much for watching.